Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about sin x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. So we have sin x squared in here. So I will put about cosine x squared go to the right. So we need to change sin x squared into 1 minus cosine x squared. About this one, that is about identity, so I can put into 1 plus cosine x, 1 minus cosine x. Next, we need to simplify 1 plus cosine x on numerator and denominator. And then we put x approach to be gone here. And we have negative number 1. And 1 minus negative number 1, you got about 1 plus 1. And we have number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.